Hello and namaste to all. Today, Team Bespoke would like to take you to some picturesque places in Delhi. So let's begin. The country's capital, New Delhi, epitomizes its rich past and flourishing present. Explore this city on your luxury tour with Bespoke India Holidays. Red Fort. Constructed by Shah Jahan in the year 1939, Red Fort was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty. Today, the Red Fort is also home to several museums that display precious artifacts. Rajghat, the cremation site of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is remembered as the father of the nation. Rajghat is surrounded by a lovely wooded area and several exotic trees, creating a serene ambience. Agrasen Ki Baoli. This historical monument is an ancient water reservoir which rises from the depths of the earth to stand atop 103 stone steps. Jama Masjid. One of the largest mosques in India, Jama Masjid was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1650 and 1656 at a cost of 1 million rupees. Its spacious courtyard holds thousands of devotees who offer their prayers. Chandni Chowk, one of the oldest and busiest market in Old Delhi, Chandni Chowk is also called as Moonlight Square. You may enjoy a cycle rickshaw ride which takes you through the narrow streets of the market. Don't forget to enjoy the mouth-watering paratha, stuffed Indian bread at the Paratha Gali, and jalebi, a sweet soaked in sugar syrup made by deep frying maida flour batter in the shape of pretzel. India Gate. All India War Memorial. India Gate stands as a memorial to 70,000 soldiers of the British Indian Army who died in between 1914 to 1921 during the First World War. You can take a leisurely stroll along the Rajpath overlooking the India Gate during sunset hours. Humayun Tomb. Constructed for the Mughal Emperor in the mid-16th century by Haji Begum, Humayun's Persian-born wife, the tomb marries Persian and Mughal elements. The Humayun's tomb complex is in fact a combination of 4 different complexes. Qutub Minar. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was built in the 13th century and is one of the highest minarets in India with a height of 73 meters. The iron pillar situated inside Qutub complex stands majestically with a height of 24 feet and is a rustless wonder. Akshardham Temple. This temple brilliantly showcases the essence of India's ancient architecture and traditions. The exquisite temple is dedicated to Swami Narayan, an Indian yogi who existed during 18th century. Lotus Temple. Built of Greek white marble in the shape of lotus flower, this large structure is the most visited establishments in the world. Lotus Temple is a place for meditation for people of all religious backgrounds. Connaught Place. Massive commercial and financial center in New Delhi, Connaught Place or CP is named after Duke of Connaught and Strathern. Constructed in early 20th century, the structure is a heritage building and the best place to experience nightlife in Delhi. Delhi Heart. An open-air food plaza, Delhi Heart is a happening place full of food and music. You will also see stalls selling handicrafts and authentic wares. Delhi Heart provides an ambience of traditional rural heart or village. Lodhi Garden. Luscious garden, Lodhi Garden was built around the tombs of Sayyid and Lodhi rulers. Boasting impressive architecture and natural beauty, it is a prime attraction in Delhi. Hope you liked our video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected. Namaste.